Hello beauty lovers! Are you ready to see the perfect cut crease makeup look combined with golden glitter? Beginning this makeup look by shaping the brows first and filling them in with a brows pomade. Using concealer to clean out any excess product that could have fallen from the pomade. Yep, it does help with perfecting the shape way better. Blending it out evenly, and then using concealer as an eye primer as well. Setting the eyes with a loosened powder, and then adding brown eyeshadow all over the crease. Adding different shades of orange and brown to get the perfect combination. Check out those very bright lids. I'm pretty curious what eyeshadows we'll be using in there. That golden glitter combined with that beautiful light shimmery eyeshadow is to die for. It's time for a pretty bold winged eyeliner and a pair of beautiful lashes on top. Priming the face first and then adding foundation to have that flawless base. Concealing and contouring to give the face a little bit more of definition. Concealing definitely gives that lifting effect on the makeup looks. Using brushes to blend out the product so they don't spread. Setting the product with a loosened powder to avoid any creasing during the day. Applying fixing spray and a little bit of shimmery highlighter to the cheeks. A glossy nude lipstick definitely suits this makeup perfectly. Looking gorgeous, baby girl!